Welcome everybody, I'm Vera Lynn and this is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. Today I'm going to be doing a general reading for my Scorpios, sun sign, moon sign, rising for September 2018. When I say general reading, this is going to be your love, your career, your soul story, what's going on for September 2018. For some of you guys who are new, I am offering one free reading, email reading, once a week. All you have to do is subscribe, share one of my videos. That could be to Facebook, Instagram, whatever it might be. Share one of my videos, doesn't matter which one, all right? Sharing is caring. Once you guys have done that, you will enter your chance for a free email reading. I love getting in touch with you guys, hearing where you're from, your soul stories, what's going on, all right? And if you can't wait for that, I always have those private readings, okay? I am having a special on the pre-recorded videos, okay? You can ask me any question. I am doing 30 minutes or an hour. 30 minutes is $35 and an hour is $70, okay? This way you guys can watch it as many times as you want. I'll send it through email. I am also doing $10 email readings, as well as you can do FaceTime or over the phone. Ask me about those prices, okay guys? Varies depending on where you guys are. All right, so for September 2018 for my Scorpios, all right, let's just dive on in. There's a lot of energy that's going on regarding the planets and you know, the signs, full moons, new moons for September. Let's just start off with Mercury is entering Virgo September 5th. Gonna have a little bit of time to focus on your communication, your projects that you are sending out, how you are talking to your spouse during this time. Mercury is the planet of communication. It's sitting happy in Virgo. Okay, Virgo's ruler is in fact Mercury, and Virgo is going to kind of have you nitpick about those little ideas, okay, those details that are going on, okay? Kind of a perfectionist my Virgos are. Okay, so September 6th, this is where things are getting interesting. Saturn finally turns direct. We've all been waiting for that. We had so many retrogrades going on for this summer in Capricorn. All right, Capricorn's ruler is in fact Saturn, so you're gonna have a happy time. It also is kind of moving with Mars in your family sector of your chart, so you're kind of going to be pulled in two different directions with Saturn in Capricorn, okay? And Mars later on September 10th is entering Aquarius, okay? Mars is the planet of ruling, male energy, leading, entering Aquarius, kind of what now, exploring, really challenging things. Aquarius, okay? The freedom seekers. September 9th, Venus is entering your sign, Scorpio. That's just gonna rev up your life, love life, ain't it? Okay, so this actually might be one of the most romantic times of the year for you guys who are having a rough time with your spouse, or single and looking for you know, whether it's something serious or really just dating. This could be your time, okay? And the fact that Mercury is in Virgo, you're going to have that time to take a step back and really know what it is that you're really seeking. Okay, and the same day, September 9th, when Venus is entering Scorpio, there's a new moon in Virgo. All right, so that's just energy, that energy to really step back and just make sure that where you're going in life is really the perfect route for you. Okay, so September 21st, Mercury is entering Libra, so you're going to have a more balanced out way of communicating, which is great, right? For any area of your life, career, romance, having a balanced way of communication is really grounding for everybody and benefits anybody who is involved, okay? That could be your co-workers during the project, or perhaps even your children, just communicating on a different level with your children. September 24th, a full moon in Aries, okay? This is going to be one of the most leading times that you'll have, that energy, that full moon manifesting energy in Aries, who is the leaders, okay guys? The pioneers of everything. You're really going to seek new heights. So make sure in the beginning of the month you're taking the time to know which direction that you're going to take it, and the end of the month you're going to have that energy to manifest it, my lovely Scorpios. All right, my Scorpios, your element is Earth, okay? Your ruling planet is in fact Pluto. Okay. I said this was a card reading, right? No, I really like to go over those energies with what's going on with the planets, the signs, the moon. It really does play out in the cards, and you can see that because when I deal some of these cards, it either comes out with the signs that are really appearing with the month that changes, or say if there's an eclipse, I always have cards that come out that show an eclipse in it or that are moon related. It's really, really interesting. Okay, so I had a card jump out, and I feel like this is applying to most of you, but not all of you, and that is the Six of Swords. This could be an air sign in your life that is really toxic, that you've been dragging along. Okay, air signs, that could be Libra, that could be Geminis, so forth and so forth, you guys know. This also, I feel like, is that weight on your back that you're taking from August. There was a lot of shakeup in August for you guys, perhaps even the whole summer, that you might still be taking forth into September. Really let it go. I'm also getting the feeling that you guys are slowly but surely really getting to where you need to be. You might not see those advancements in your career this month, but you're slowly getting there, okay? You can see that the shore is off in the distance. The current is not rough. Your load is not that heavy. Is it easy for you? No. Is it impossible? No. So go forth with it. All right, Scorpio, if it is your passions that is there, go for it. However, if it's that toxic ex who may or not be that air symbol, let it go. Let it go. Because I feel some pain with that card. I really do. I feel some pain regarding the love behind that card. For the finances side, I really feel it's you just coming around. You just got that little ways to go. And it's not that hard. Okay. Is it stressing you out? Yeah. Okay. All right. So for my Scorpios for September 2018. All right. Okay. I want to shout out for some of you guys who have a Virgo in your life right now. It could be your sister, your brother, whatever it might be. If you have a Virgo in your life, guys. Sorry, I'm having cards jump out at me, but I'm just not getting the feeling for them. But yeah, if you need to bounce off those ideas with your Virgo, do so. Okay? Could be your partner, could be your mother, could be your brother, whatever it might be. It could be a friend. They will give you a different look, a more grounded look on your life. Oh my goodness. All right, so we had this card flip over. I didn't even notice it until I looked down. My Libras just got this card. So if you're in a relationship with a Libra, and sure enough, Libras are that air sign, and swords represent air, okay guys, you gotta let it go. Also, what is no longer serving you, and Mercury being in Virgo is really going to give you that time to kind of dip into your unconscious thoughts as well as be able to communicate them. So let it go. Okay, these cups are something that no longer serves you. They may be well stacked up. You might be either addicted to it or, you know, feel like it's for the better. But if it does really in the long run doesn't follow along with your calling, you have to walk away. This is you walking away. All right, embrace it. Okay, don't look back, because obviously he's not looking back. Okay, that needs to be you. Let it go. Those cups right now to me are representing emotions, overflowing emotions. It could be, you know, trauma in the past. It could be a lost loved one. But I really do feel strongly for some of you guys that it is that toxic ex that just really has been lingering around. All right. Man. Okay. Ooh, my goodness. And what do you know? We have the Temperance jump out. Okay, you guys are not balanced, Scorpios. Okay, could be that you're focusing too much on your passions, what makes you feel good. It could be addictions. It could even be maybe focusing too much on your sex life, Scorpios. You need balance. For some of you guys, I feel like you have gained that balance, and it will show in the ending of the month. But for some of you guys that are not able to leave what no longer is serving you, you are not going to get there. Okay, and this is representing you manifesting your dreams, getting it is what you want, and finding a holiness in life, really. Okay, all right. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. I had a card jump out at me. This is saying the Eight of Wands. You need to deal with it, and you need to deal with it now. Okay, the Eight of Wands represent quickness. So whatever it is that's really been bothering you and hasn't been serving you, if you do not let it go soon, you are not going to be able to take advantage of the energies that are going on for the month and for the ending of the month. Okay, guys, and you're going to just keep yourselves back. It really comes back on you. It's nobody else. It's you. You need to make those decisions, and you need to do them quickly. All right, guys, let's see here. I'm going to do one from the fairies. Why? Because I feel like it. Maybe that's the attitude that you need to do. If it's what you like to do and it makes you feel good and it is your calling, it's what your intuition says, you gotta go with it. Why wouldn't you? Everybody else is gonna be happier in life if you just literally do what you need to do and is right for, you know, the greater good and serves your purpose and your calling, and it just warms your heart. Okay, because once you get those vibrations up and going, people are going to be attracted to those vibrations, okay? It's good advice for some of you guys who are looking to change your marriage or single and looking. Once you rise your vibrations, people are really going to see it. Bam! Birthday. A significant birthday holds the answer to your questions. I feel like that's your birthday coming around the corner. You know, if you work on things now, by the time that you guys round another birthday, you could be a whole different person. Okay, this is September now. I know it's coming up, but with that little time, with those, you know, those couple weeks, depending on when, you know, if you're November or whatever it may be, you guys are really going to come in to a different side, but you got to walk away with what no longer serves you. All right, it's really important that you guys do that. You have to let it go. It could be the ex, it could be the relationship, whatever it might be. So it is September now that this reading's going on, so you guys got about, you know, 6 weeks to, you know, depending if it's October or November, that you guys are have your birthday in. You could go a long way. If some of you guys aren't really happy with your weight and whatever it might be, you know, 6 weeks, whatever it might be, 6 weeks is a good amount of time to really detox your body, to get that strength back on site, you know. Follow your passions, get on the meditation, change your whole view about life. Okay, a lot can be done in that little bit of a time. All right, let's just do one more from the fairies. I'm feeling it today. I am in a roll. You know, I just did my Libras, a reading for my Libras for September, and I'll tell you what, it has taken me all day to get through that reading. So if you have a toxic Libra in your life, you gotta let them go. Okay? I'm not saying that all the Libras in your life are toxic. I'm just saying, I'm getting that feeling. I gotta say that. It might not be in regards to all of you. These online readings to certain signs are pretty vague, which is why I always start off saying about the free readings. You know, get your chance for the free readings, subscribe and share, and, you know, tell them about the private readings, because, you know, you guys have different issues that you're really seeking here with these readings, and, you know, my prices are pretty decent, and I like to be able to help you guys on a more personal level, okay? The card readings is a really whole different ball game when you're the one asking the corrections directly, and I'm focusing on your energy and your birthday, your sun sign, your moon sign. It's a whole different reading. Awakening. Look at the things from a different perspective. A temporary standstill. It's important to be yourself. I love this card because I am telling you, I feel that if some of you guys don't shed that skin, you're gonna not be able to be awake enough to enjoy these energies that are really going on for September, and even renewing yourself and enjoying the energies for the rest of the year, okay, around your birthday. All right, I think that pretty much sums it up. I'm not getting to feel from any pulling from any more cards. You got one from the angels and you got one from the fairies, and a few of them jumped out for you from the original tarot. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I am Vera Lynn. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. You guys have a beautiful September. Stay tuned for your love reading for September, as well as I'm going to get your October ones posted early too as well. Take care guys.